Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android launcher called Nil Launcher. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the Nil Launcher theme and folder application from the Play Store. It's one of the unique launcher. So you can find a combination of white and a slightly gray or white color themed launcher. It slightly look like a nothing phone theme, but it's different from that. So you can find all the icons or have the same themed connections, and you can see it automatically adds the folder too. You can find there is a battery, and seamlessly look like a nothing widgets like a battery or weather and music player, and also some of the widgets like Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and airplane mode, and also all the icons. You can see it's actually look so unique. And if you just want to have a unique launcher, you can just try this. If you're a fan of nothing phones, you can also use this to change your mobile phone as a nothing launcher. And you can see these are all the widgets that inside the themed launcher, this themed launcher. And you can just click on the folder. You can see it automatically categorizes all the games. And also you can just swipe up to open the app drawer. Here the list of apps. And you just need to long press it for edit or click on the setting option. Here you can find the widgets, all the widgets you just needed, and also the themes and icons, font, everything here. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super Android launcher. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.